Hey, this is Ryan and Luke, and we did our final project on the analysis of the top 50 movies of all time. The reason we chose it because movies are awesome.
So here's our README file. We're just going to walk you through the simple process of running the matlab.m file. So the first thing you'll do is type in analyze top movies into the command prompt, and it'll open a menu pop-up, and you have three options to select from. Option A, the top 50 movie grosses by movie release year, and the x-axis is in decades. Option B, percentage of the selected studio of the top 50 grossing movies, and option C, analysis of movie ratings. When you choose option A, the information is automatically calculated and the graph is displayed, so you don't really have to do anything with that. Option B, you'll be prompted to choose between a particular studio. The studios are not registered as strings, so they'll just be numbers 1 through 5. You'll see that in a moment. And then when you choose one, you'll be rewarded with the data. Option C, as with option A, it'll automatically be displayed. So just a quick glimpse, here's what our data looked like. We omitted and took out all strings within the data since we didn't have much time to go over that. So column 1 goes over the rank of the movie, obviously 1 through 50. Column 2, although it looks like it's rank of the movie, is actually the studio number. So option 1 would be, for example, Fox. Column 3 is movie year. Column 4 and 5 are both the amount of gross in US dollars. We could have omitted column 5, but we just didn't. And then column 6 is the rating of the movie. So each number is categorized, say, as PG, G, and they have number values. So PG, for example, is 2, whereas G is 1. So a quick look through the actual data or code itself is right here. So function analyze top movies. So you can see where you have the switch and then you choose the menu options, which themselves call the functions. So function movie release pretty much just calculates everything. We won't go through that specifically, but you'll see how that runs in a moment. But I am going to go through it so that you guys, if you really want to, you can click the pause button and then go through it line by line, if that's what you so desire, because you are code wizards. So now we'll go through and run it. So here you see the menu pops up with your choices: top 50 movie grosses by release year, decade, etc., etc. So we'll choose option 1, and here's our graph.
And as you can see, the y-axis is in $100 million, and the x-axis is in decade. We did 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000, and 2010 till present. And as you can see, the 2000s have the highest, but I think by the end of the decade, 2010, that'll be the most per decade.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and run it once more. Well, this time we'll choose option B. So as you can see, inside the command prompt, it says enter number 1 through 9 for the studio you wish to analyze. 1 is Fox, Paramount is 2, Disney 3, Warner Brothers 4, DreamWorks 5, Universal Studios 6, 7 Lionsgate, 8 Sony, and Newmarket, which I think only had 1 movie on the list, was 9. I'm pretty sure that was Passion of the Christ. So let's just go with 3 for Disney. Everybody likes a Disney movie. Aladdin's my favorite. This sexy beast. So here's our figure, or the pie graph for Disney, option 2. So you can see that they take up 22% of the market out of 100%. Just 2 different colors. We kept it nice and simple. Simple oftentimes is better. So now we'll run through option 3. Analysis of the movie ratings. So this is going to be the gross, or the financial gains in billions of dollars based on the movie rating. So G has almost less than rating R, whereas PG has the most. So
PG-13.
PG-13, correction, yeah. So with rating on the x-axis. So that's the quick but simple run through of our MATLAB.m function. Thank you for watching, guys. Talk to you later.